This will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra versus the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra from last year. Now the S22 Ultra has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip with 12 gigs of RAM on Android 12 and its latest version of One UI 4.1. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra has the Snapdragon 888, also with 12 gigs of RAM on Android 12 on its latest version of One UI 4.0. So let's go ahead and turn on both phones at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up, and let's go. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra versus Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra speed test comparison. Which one will have the faster boot up? Let's find out right now. Which phone will boot up faster? Oh, what will happen here? Ooh, looks like the S22 Ultra here already into the phone. As you can see, nice and fast. Very nice on the S22. Just waiting for the S21 here. Come on, baby, you can do it. Come on, baby. S21, let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. What is happening with the S21 Ultra? I thought you were the Ultra. Come on, let's go. You're only a year old. Snapdragon 888, not that old. Come on. All right, here we go. As you can see. All right, so as you can see, whoops. As you can see on the S21 Ultra, took a little bit longer than what I would have liked. You know, it is what it is. And we are in. All right, man, let's just hop right into the test. I'm gonna do this on both phones. And as you can see, no recently used apps on either device. All apps, caches, the browsers, everything has been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Identical. Messages. Identical again. The camera. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up both phones so you can see the viewfinder. We'll do it like this. A little bit faster on the 22 Ultra. Fire up the clock app on both phones. There you go. We'll go ahead and start this up. Let that run in the background. Calculator. Very close. Identical. Play Store. Ooh, a little bit faster on the 22. Let's see, let's go ahead and click on something here. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on like a random app. We'll go ahead and leave it right there. Amazon. Identical, can't tell the difference. We'll click on this one. Check her out. We'll leave it right there. eBay. Let's see. Ooh, I think that's the 21 actually. Interesting. We'll go ahead and click on this purse. And let's see, click on just the first one. We'll go ahead and leave it right there. Mario Run. Let's go. Loading on both phones and let's see. Ooh, faster on the 22 Ultra. Tap to begin. Oh, but the 21 caught up right there. I don't know if you noticed that. Interesting. And then we do have Temple Run 2 on both phones. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, this one is downloading some extra stuff though. So you can take this with a grain of salt. However, oh, what's happening to the 21 Ultra? Oh, I don't know. You know, I've been noticing this off camera, like the Temple Run 2 would crash. So you know what? I'm gonna give it, to keep things fair, we'll do that one more time. We'll do it one more time, and if it crashes, then it crashes. Go. Let's see what happens here. Again, downloading some sort of config. Let's see what happens. And, ooh, okay, now 21 might be ahead despite it having to download a file. That's interesting. And then despite having to download something, the 21 was faster. Wow. Well, there you go. We'll tap to play and then play again. So that was kind of weird. Subway Surf. Loading. Oh, and again the 21's faster. What is happening here? Tap to play. So I guess the 21 is making up ground from booting up kind of long. So okay, all right. The 21 Ultra is you know, making a comeback here. Okay, Angry Birds 2 logging in. All right. Oh, what will happen here? The 21 Ultra again is out in front. Wow. And we'll give the win to the S21 Ultra on this. Wow. I'll be honest with you, I'm kind of surprised right now. I thought the 22 Ultra would smoke the 21. I don't know. This one? Yeah, let's just keep going, see what happens here. Let's see, CSR2. Is this gonna give me some pop-up or something? No, okay. Looks like it's going into the game. Ooh, okay. All right, I'd call that one a draw. Modern Combat 5. Gotta say, other than the boot up, I'm impressed with the S21 Ultra thus far. And look at this, both about the same. Let's see, okay, extracting files. Let's see which one comes out in front. Are they even? Okay, the 22 is a little bit ahead. And what happened here? Did it crash? I think it crashed actually. All right, well, S21 Ultra, what's happening to you right now? Okay, PUBG, go. And a missed touch. Oh, now what's happening to me? All right, let's do this again. PUBG, let's go, go. All right. No cuts, I'm just gonna film it straight. Here we go, Tencent Games, crafting. All right, let's go. Checking for updates real quick. No updates, all right. Keep it moving. Loading on both phones. Let's check it out. Oh, okay, I think that was the 21 again, a little bit faster. I'm gonna get out of that. All right, so there you go. Twitter, identical, get rid of this pop-up. Instagram. Ooh, I think that was the 21 again. Snapchat, identical, and then we do have the Chrome here. All right, now let's just see. What should I search for? Let's see. Russian army. Here, we'll do it like this. Russian, okay. Let's see. Go. There we go. And then go. Go. Let's check this out. Ooh, oh, okay. Let's continue on Chrome. Okay, identical speeds, really. Not seeing any major differences here. All right, not gonna play that video. Don't wanna get copyrighted. If you know what I'm saying. Cannot pinch to zoom here. We'll go ahead and click on this. Is this the same page? I think it might be the same page. All right, let's just go ahead and do search. I know. GSM. GSM. Okay, where's GSM Arena? There it is, GSM Arena, go. Let's check this one out. And let's see which ad will come up first. Ooh, the ad came up first on the 22. All right, click on just this first one. Realme GT2 Pro in for review. Let me know in the comments if you want me to go get this phone. All right, let me know. Let's see. Okay, let's see, let's click this one. Let's see, here we go, some specs on this device. Scrolling, nice and fast. I was gonna say smooth, nice and fast. I guess I can say nice and smooth on both phones with the 120 display. Pinch to zoom, and I can't pinch to zoom for some reason. You know what, that's good enough. All right, let's go ahead and go through these apps again. Check out the brand management. And we'll have a look. So you can see everything's in the background. Run through these apps again, and we'll document any lags, any stutters, or if there's none, there's none. Okay, no reloads yet. Modern Combat 5, good to go. Extracting files, this one's reconnecting. Okay, so no reload, it's just proceeding where it was. CSR Racing 2. Okay, you can continue playing. Very nice. Angry Birds 2. Good to go on both phones. Resume on this. So you can see, man, both phones are just flying through this. Temple Run 2. You can continue, so you can see 3, 2, 1. Very nice. Mario Time on both. Very nice. eBay. Right there. Sick. Amazon Shopping. Ooh, I think the 21 Ultra was a little bit faster on that one. Play Store. Same place. Calculator. Same place. The clock still running in the background. And again, on a side note, I've never actually seen this reload, so there you go. Now the camera. Let's see. Oh, I think again, the 21 Ultra was a little bit faster. Well, I gotta say, I'm surprised right now. I thought the 22 Ultra would wipe the floor, but other than the boot up, the S21 Ultra is hanging. Mistouch on that one, whoops. And then finally, the phone app, boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup, my fellow Samsung Knights. Now look, if you're a big fan of the S series phones from Samsung, and if you're a big fan of the Note series of phones from Samsung, how do you all feel about Samsung merging the Note with the S series? Now to me, I think it makes sense because especially with the Note 20 Ultra, there really wasn't that much of a difference between the S and the Note other than the S Pen. Basically I have a S22 Ultra Note, that's what I like to call it. Later this year, I think the next foldable phone will have the S Pen integrated into the body, just like a Note, but it's a folding device. That's just my opinion. I might be wrong on that. Matter of fact, I think I am wrong, but we'll see what happens later this year. Let me know in the comments below how you feel about that. Samsung combining essentially these two series of phones now basically have the S22 Ultra as the Ultra Note. So let me know what you thought about this test in the comments down below. I'd have to say that the S21 Ultra was keeping up. Other than the boot up, let me know what you thought about this in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.